If you've previously watched the introduction of this video and you just want the practice, please go directly to the time marked on the screen here. What I will teach you is not a regular breathing technique. It's a breatharian breathing exercise for your body. It will provide more oxygen, healing, and mental clarity. You can also use this to start your day or before physical activity. For your mind, this exercise will help you become more calm, more present, and full of energy. What makes this exercise unique is the combination between your imagination and intention to your physical body. Remember, you already know this. Your mind is very powerful. Your mind cannot distinguish between your imagination and reality. Your body always listens to your mind and acts upon its commands. So when you combine your imagination and intention to be nourished from oxygen and energy, your body listens. Your DNA is semi-conscious. This is how thousands of cases of proven spontaneous healings occur every year. This comes to fruition with your belief about your reality and about your body. So when I tell you to take a deep breath and feel yourself getting nourished from energy, this is exactly what I want you to imagine and do. There's no failure in setting an intention and simply imagining. Every person imagines differently. Even if you don't feel it yet, you will fake it until you make it. And with time and practice, you will unlimit your limited belief about energetic nourishment. This is how the placebo effect is actually used on the untreated patient's mind that creates healing in their body. So when we combine breath and imagination, we receive a more powerful technique than a normal breathing exercise. The exercise I'll guide you through is for beginners. However, there are some fundamental principles I need to quickly go over with you just in case. The first is the right position. You want to be sitting and not lying down. If you have back issues, you can sit on a chair, but don't lean back too much. Number two is your posture. You want to lengthen your spine, you want to relax your shoulders, and you want to relax your muscles all over the body. You're going to notice that people that are healthy usually have a fixed, healthy posture. People who are confident walk upright, shoulders wide. This helps them breathe in more oxygen. If you are leaning forward, it's hard on your lungs, and you can't get to the same capacity. The same thing with people who are overweight. The large stomach puts pressure on our lungs, and it's simply harder to breathe. Number three, expand and breathe into the base of your lungs. Most air exchange happens at the bottom of your lungs, not at the top. This is what is taught in free diving classes, in vocal lessons, and in yoga as well. Number four, close your eyes, always. You want to be in between conscious and unconscious. That's the magical area. Number five, please do this exercise on an empty stomach. These principles are for your body. For your mind, the only thing I want you to focus on is your breath. We will do it together. Your mind will wander off, and that's okay. Don't be harsh on yourself and don't follow the path to guilt. It takes practice and stillness to stay present. With time, you will learn to relate. You want to connect with your body and you want to focus on your breath alone. In addition, I'm going to put a link to my lake meditation in the description. If you want to practice something that is a little bit longer and a little bit more profound as a breatharian breathing technique, all you need to do is press on the link and download the MP3 file for future reference.
Relax and close your eyes. Set your pace to the following sound of the metronome. Every 2 clicks is a second. And in the first part of the exercise, we're going to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 6. It will sound a little bit like this. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. And a slow exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you keep this pace Take deeper and longer breaths. As you inhale, I want you to imagine that there is an energy ball above your head that is feeding you and nourishing your body. As you breathe in, this ball receives an infinite amount of energy from the universe and allows you to receive this light into your crown chakra. As the light goes into your body, imagine it moving as a vortex, illuminating every organ it touches. Breathe in deeply and slowly. Allow the light to reach every organ and every cell. And as you exhale, exhale everything that does not belong there. Breathing in from the ball of energy, infinite amount. Exhale anything that does not belong there anymore. As we move into the second part of the exercise, you should already feel a deeper sensation of relaxation, and the stronger your breath is, the more you feel calmness in your body and connection. The second part is where we inhale for 6 seconds, slower, hold our breath for another 6, and exhale for 8 seconds. It will sound like this, and you can begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a slow exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale. Continue in this pace. 2, 3. And now I want you to imagine that you are inside a sphere of energy. A sphere of energy wandering the known universe. Complete illumination all around you. As powerful as a black hole, as infinite as space itself. And just like a fetus inside your mother's womb, when you inhale, imagine that the energetic nourishment comes from all around you inside the fetus. Inhale and imagine that the energy pours in from your pores, from your eyes, from every single cell on your skin. As you exhale, allow the sphere to cleanse your energetic body. Breathe in deeply, allow the sphere to nourish you energetically until your lungs are completely filled, until your body is shaking in vibration. Deeper breaths as we are moving to the third part of this exercise. Every inhale will be 8 seconds. We hold for 8 seconds and we exhale for 10 seconds. Everything needs to be done slowly and allow your lungs to be at their full capacity. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue in this very slow pace of 2 or 3 full breaths a minute. And as you breathe in slowly, now imagine your pineal gland as powerful as a star. Let go of your body and become one with the universe. Allow your pineal gland to absorb the universe's cosmic energy. Allow your pineal gland to wander space and time, disconnect from your body, and rediscover energetic nourishment. Very powerful energetic nourishment. Breathe in slowly and deeply. Allow your pineal gland to absorb the universe's cosmic energy. Allow your pineal gland to wander space and time, disconnect from your body, and rediscover energetic nourishment. Very powerful energetic nourishment. Breathe in slowly and deeply. And from the sphere and from the pineal, the size of a star, come back to the sphere and come back to your body. You can start breathing normally. Allow yourself to relax, and you can stay with your eyes closed for as long as you wish.